Right guys, here at Ely Station level crossing in Cambridgeshire. Joe Jamie got at Minecraft. Stay back. Timer. There we go. Now the time is 17:48 on Saturday the 31st of October 2004. Hour 17:51, 1 Tango 100, Great Northern Service, Monarchy's Cross to Kings Lynn, and hour 17:47, 1 Romeo 6 East from the train service, Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly.
And our 1 Romeo 6,
17:15. Don't film this.
17:50, I think.
Alright, so I don't want anyone to know my password. Yes.
No, Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly. Right, the time
yes,
now
it's just changed its lights.
17:48 on Saturday the 31st of October.
Loughton's
got a new alarm.
Oh yeah, SBX. Dagenham?
Yeah, Dagenham.
That is odd. And this crossing is wrecked.
For our 17.
Look at it, it doesn't even stay in with that.
Great Northern Service from London Cross to Kings Lynn, and our 17:47, 1 Romeo 60 Eastman's train service from Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly, sorry.
Yes.
I almost said Liverpool Lime
Thank
Street.
you so much, mate.
I almost said Liverpool Lime Street then.
Well, it is pretty easy to say that because the whole line is Norwich, Liverpool, Lime Street. But sometimes when a train's cancelled from somewhere, where's Soham?
Soham?
Yeah.
Just outside of
Kent.
No, Soham's just outside of it's between Ely and Cambridge.
Right.
It's where those two girls were killed, murdered by Ian Huntley.
Who's Ian Huntley?
He was a caretaker at school and he murdered them in his house.
Oh god, that's dreadful.
It's Cambs got.
I think some of my viewers will be squeamish now. Yeah. Yeah, 158866. I reckon we'll be staying for 1 Tango 100 getting all the service from Monarchy's Cross to Kings Lynn to Monarchy's Cross to Kings Lynn.
This is it. Then we go back in the side.
Yes.
It's 10
158866. 158866 to Manchester Piccadilly, and no one. We're staying.
We're staying. I guess we do malfunction. We're staying.
Oh, up they go.
Up they go. Is it malfunction?
No, thanks for watching this video.